Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from WebMoney to bank account. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up WebMoney and then log into your WebMoney account. So once I've logged into your WebMoney account, so you're going to go to this withdraw section here. So simply click on the withdraw section. So once you have click on this withdraw section, you can simply go to this payments option here. So click on the payments option, and then when you go to your payments option here on this menu section here, you will see an option called withdraw bank transfer. So simply select that. Simply select withdraw bank transfer. So all you have to do now here is simply select the country, so which country you will be sending the receiver's country. So select that, and then once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply type in the amount that you wish to transfer, okay, and then hit on start, and then provide a few more prompts about the receiver details, and that's it. You'll be able to send it to your bank account, so whatever bank account that you want to. So once you have provided the account details, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.